Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Subway Surfers application on your Android device. Whether you are using mobile device or tablets, this tutorial will help you out. First of all, make sure that your device that you are using is connected to a stable internet. Once it is, launch open your Google Play Store. Once it is, open up your Google Play Store. Go to the search icon at the bottom and tap on the search box at the top and type in Subway Surfers. Now, in the search result, look for the application that looks like this from Cyber Games and tap on Install. Wait for the app to download and install, which will take a couple of minutes depending upon your internet speed. Once the app is installed, tap on the play button to start playing the game on your device. So that's how you easily download and install Subway Surfers on your Android, whether you are using Android mobile device or tablets. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.